welcome back to my channel. I'm Ekong Miriam, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a smoked top. It's a simple DIY, beginner friendly, because I started from scratch. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Like the video, give the video a thumbs up, and if this video was helpful, please comment. I would like to see your comments on the video. And that's about it. So first off, these are the materials you'll be needing. First, you need a fabric. I'm using satin. And next, you're going to need a measuring tape to take all your measurements. And then you need a bias and scissors to cut and a piece of chalk. I'll just do this to measure from my shoulder to where I want my blouse to stop. That's my blouse measurement. And I'm using 18, so I'll just chalk that right down and chalk the other side too. And after doing that, I'll just measure my bust point. That's from my shoulder to the peak of my bust, or my bust apex. And I'm using 9.5, so I'll chalk that right down. And after that, I'll just take my shoulder measurements. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2.8. If I was drafting in my blouse, I would have just used 8, but here I'm using 8.5. So after that, I'll just measure my bust measurement, round my bust divided by 4, and add like 8 inches to that. And then the length of my blouse, just measure it round, divide by 4, and add 8 inches to that, and then connect, as you can see in this video. So I'm done with the lower part. Then I take 2 inches upward to do my armhole drafting, and then I connect it. So I'll just cut through, and after cutting through, I'll open it into 2, and you're gonna see that very soon. Yeah, opening into 2, I've marked it where I want my all shoulder to start, since it's a one shoulder sleeve and it's going to be smoked. So I'll just cut that right out, and after that I'm done. So I've cut the front and I've cut the back using that same pattern, and I'm done. I'm done. It's time to go sew that. So this is what I'm going to use to sew to create the elastic effect. You can see it's an elastic thread and it's super stretchy. So this is what is going to make my clothes smoked. So let's go. Now to sew, this is the elastic thread or my reeler. I'll just put that in my shuttle and then put it inside my machine. And then I'll use the thread to sew on top, and the elastic will be on there. Now you can see the elastic is on there and the thread is on top. That's how we're going to sew it. So I've done a line with that. As you can see, the top is really stretchy because of the elastic I use underneath. So we'll just keep doing this repeatedly till we complete this part. Don't video my head to show. You are the one with video. Stand up on the falling down. Yeah, of course. So this is it after doing like a couple of lines more. You see the effect is creating, and it's super stretchy. Yeah. So I've done one part of the blouse. As you can see, it's really stretchy, and looking at it already, you can see a blouse forming. So you just have to do the same thing on the other side. Exactly. So I've already done the front part and the second part the same way. So all I'll just do now is to turn it over and join the two sides together, join the shoulder and then turn round the rough edges with bias, and you're gonna see that in the next slide how it turns. So this is it. I've already joined the two sides together. I've joined the sides, I've joined the other side too, and I've also done the shoulder pads, creating an armhole at that area. So I'll just turn the front and show you how it looks like at the front. So after turning it out, you can see our blouse is already taking shape. It's looking more like a blouse now. And all you just have to do now is to turn around the rough edges with bias. So this is our top done and completed. I've turned all the rough edges with bias. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, comment too if this video was helpful. Until when I post a new video, goodbye.